we just replace an unknown number with a letter. Okay?
Okay.
For example, we know that 2 plus 5 equals 7. Right?
Right.
And sometime may they ask something like this: 2 plus what equals 7? So for this unknown value, sometimes they replace it with any algebraic value like x, y, z. Okay, so this is actually algebra. But before we going further, first we need to know about some positive and negative values. Okay, so there are some rules of writing some positive and negative values. For example, if I just write 4, what it means? It means it has plus sign in front of this. Okay, so this 4 equals plus 4. And if I have this 5 with negative sign, so this is negative value of 5. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So tell me, what about this 3?
A positive number.
Okay, this 7,
It's a positive number.
this,
It's a negative number.
this,
It's a positive number.
this.
A negative.
Good. So we can easily distinguish between this positive and negative numbers. Sometimes we may write like this way: positive, positive. Okay. So for this, we need to learn about the rule of the sign. Okay. So we need to learn about the rules of sign. Sign which is plus, either plus or minus, right? So when we have one positive, then one more positive, so it means it is an positive. Okay, one positive and one negative, it means it must in negative. One negative and then positive, it means in negative. And one negative then another negative, it means it must be in, we must write the sign in positive. Okay, so when we have same sign, which is plus and plus, so we always write in plus. When we have different sign, one is plus and second is minus, then we need to write in minus. And when the both are here also, the both are same, minus minus, then also we need to put this plus sign. Okay. For example, if we have something like this minus minus 2. So this is not a negative number. This is actually 2, which is positive. Okay. Because here the both sign are same.
Like so same. So if both signs are same, then it has always have to be positive.
Yeah. When we have both signs same, then we always put positive. Good. Okay. So here, uh, one more thing is happening, which is like this is just the rule for shine. Okay. It's not like we are adding or subtracting something. So this is just the rule of sign. For example, we have some value like this, plus and minus 5. So what it equals?
So -5, will it be -5?
Yeah, it will be minus 5. And then plus 6.
Plus 6. Will it be just 6?
Wow. Minus plus 8.
Minus plus 8. Will it be -8?
Yeah. So we understand what is positive number, what is negative number. So this is actually minus 8, which is negative number.
Negative number.
Yeah. So the simple rule is same. Same sign means Positive.
Same sign means
And
positive.
different means
Negative.
simple rule. Okay. Okay. But Kavya, just knowing this is not enough. Okay, first try to chat me the answer for question number. Okay, just tell me the answer for question number 3 from your sheet.
The minus 15.
Very good. What about 4?
The just 10.
Yeah, it's just 10. So, Kavya, knowing this sign is not enough. We also need to know how to calculate the answer. Okay. So, uh, we know that whenever we have same sign, we are putting plus. Whenever we have different sign, we are putting minus. But when we are doing the calculation, right? Like we have something like this, plus 2 minus 6. Sometimes the question looks like this way. So for this time, always try to put the sign of the bigger number. Here you can see we have different sign. One is in plus and one is in minus. Means we need to do.
We do 6 take away 2, which is 4, and then it'll be minus 4 since the bigger one has the minus sign.
Yeah, this is the main logic. Okay. Here we can see that the sign are different. Means we need to do the subtraction, right?
The
But
bigger
as
sign
the
is
bigger is 6 minus, so we need to write our answer in minus. Very good.
Okay.
Sometimes we have something like this, 4 plus 9. Then answer will be
minus 4 plus 9. Will
Yeah.
it be just 16? I mean, not 16. Will it be just 5 since the bigger one has the positive sign?
Very good. Well done. But now when the sign are same,
You just do you add 3x6,
yeah.
which is 9, but you keep the same sign, like minus 9.
Here also the bigger is in minus.
Yeah.
Okay, we can apply this logic in every way. Sometimes we have some question like this way, 2 plus 4, right?
It'll be
So
6.
here also the bigger number is in plus. So this logic we can apply everywhere. Okay, that
Okay.
always put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, now please tell me the answer as fast as you can. Question number 1, please chat me your answer. Question number 2, this. Question number 3, please try to chat. Okay, you able to chat there or just you can't? If it's difficult, then just tell me your answer.
In an iPad, it's easy. I've done it before.
Okay. Here we have 2 sign, right?
Yeah, just think.
Which means minus plus.
Okay.
Which is
different
Different sign
minus
means
11.
no.
Oh, okay.
Different sign means minus, right?
Yeah. Oh, is it
So
minus?
we can simply write it like 8 minus 3.
which is 5.
Yeah. Okay, all are correct actually, just the last one, except the last one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the next thing is multiplying and dividing this positive and negative numbers. So in multiplying and dividing, we don't need to apply that logic. We just keep remember the rule of the sign. Okay? What we learned earlier, that the rules we just need to keep in mind. For example, we have some number like 2 times minus 6. Okay? So we know that if the both have the same sign, so our answer must be in.
Our answer must be in minus.
Here we don't apply that rule. They apply the rule for the bigger number. No. In multiplication and division, just apply the rule for those all those sign. Okay.
So
So
if
the
it's
rules
negative and
are
negative,
this.
will be positive.
Yeah, the rule are this. Plus plus means plus, plus minus means minus, minus plus means minus, and minus minus means plus. So these are the rule of this sign. So in division and multiplication, we don't apply that rule that always put the sign of the bigger number. Okay? Because that time we are adding or subtracting something. That's why we need to keep in mind that whatever the bigger number hold the sign, we need to put that sign there. Right? But for multiplication and division, we just need to remember the rule of the sign. Okay? So when we are multiplying this, minus 4 times 2. So different sign means answer must be in negative. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. Simply we can write 8. For example, if we have 6 times 2, same sign, plus plus,
Yeah.
means answer must be in positive. Same sign means positive. Minus 3 times minus 4. Same sign, minus minus, means
Which is
answer
minus
must be
4.
in positive. Okay,
Okay.
8 times minus 3. Different sign, one is positive, one is a negative. So answer must be negative. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay,
Okay.
is it okay, Kavya?
Yeah. Okay.
Similar rule we are applying in division as well. Okay, so just after seeing the question, okay, same or different, we just first we can put the sign, right? And then we can simply use our algebra to solve the question. The simple calculation, okay? For example, if we have 8 divided with minus 4, okay? So here this 8 hold plus sign, and for this 4 minus means different sign.
Yeah.
Different sign means what? Our answer must be minus. Very good. Different
That's
means
almost
minus sign, okay?
minus 2.
Yeah. Now tell me, what should be the answer for this?
Which one? Like minus 12
Yes.
times 2. Will it be minus 24?
Why minus? Because we have different sign.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Is it minus 32?
Yeah. Why minus 32?
Because the signs are different.
Very good. Next question.
Oh, and it'd be 18.
Why just 18?
Because when the signs are same, it always has to be
Very
positive.
good. Yeah. Now please try question number 7 from your sheet.
Is it minus 30?
Good.
Do number 8.
Yeah. What is the answer for this?
Be minus 8.
Okay, very good. And what about this, Kavya?
Be 3. It'll be just 3.
Very good. What about this?
Will it be minus 11?
Wow, very good. Okay, so for this, first we need to write it like this way. Plus, then plus minus, which is minus. Both have the same sign, so answer must be minus 11. Very good, Kavya. I think now you understand how to add and how to subtract this positive and negative values. Okay? Sometimes they give question in this way that 5 times with 8 minus 2. So here we are putting this bracket. So you know what this bracket says? Bracket says solve me first.
Oh, doing big mass and bird mass now.
Yeah. According to the board mass rule. That this bracket says solve me first. So we need to solve this. So this 5 times 8 minus 2, which is 6. Now 5 times 6, which is 30. But here we are putting some different signs and then try to solve that. For example, if we have a question like this, 7 times with minus 9 plus 2. Please tell me the answer. First solve for the bracket and then question become easier.
Will the answer be minus 77?
77.
Oh, I've done a mistake.
Yeah. Here we have different sign, Kavya, right?
Yeah,
And different means?
that.
Yeah. So it must minus 7, right?
Minus
And
7 times 7
which will be
minus 49.
41. Okay, that's fine. We
Cushion.
must need to learn from our mistake. Okay, please try.
The answer 3.
Very good. Now try this.
Miss, can you help me with this?
Sorry?
Can you help me with this? It's tricky.
It's look difficult because it's look so long, but if you do the step by step, then it become easier. First write like this way, 7, then solve for this.
It's 2.
Very good. Then write this as it is, minus 4. Because, first we need to do with this brackets, right? So write everything else as it is. Here, put the sign, which is multiplication, and this 3 minus 1, which
Then we
is,
shorten it again.
and according to the board mass rule, first we need to solve for this multiplication, right? Okay, so then write everything else as it is. Now, 4 times 2 will be,
4 times 2 is 8.
so here we need to put minus 8 or just 8.
Minus 8.
Because different sign, minus and then plus.
Minus 8. Then you do
Now,
7. 7 and 2, which is 5. And then you do 5 minus 8.
no, here we have same sign. 7,
Oh, no.
this is in plus, that also in plus. So this must 9. And when we subtract this 9 from 8 from this 9, answer will be 1, just 1.
Can we do another question like this?
Okay, so just on looking the question, don't feel like, oh, it's very difficult just because it's look long. No, try to solve step by step. Then this difficult question become easier.
Okay.
We already learned about those square root, Kavya, earlier, right? For number like this, 2 with power or index of 3. What it will be?
2 times 8.
So it must 8. Okay. And what about this? This means you
Minus
times
8.
-2 with -2, right?
Yeah.
And we know that when we have the same sign, our answer must be in plus.
You do 4 times -2, which will give
2
you
times 2, which is 4. Okay.
Yeah.
And when we have the same sign, so put the sign of the plus.
Times
Here, if we have this with 3, then this is -2 times -2 times -2. Okay?
which
Okay.
is equal to
Please look
minus.
carefully. Listen me first. This is minus and minus.
Yeah.
So this must be in plus
4.
because same sign.
Yeah, I should have 4.
But here, this answer in plus and then plus with minus means different sign. So answer
Is
must in
minus 8.
minus. Okay. Then 2 times 2, 4 and 4 times 2, 8. Answer will be
Minus
minus
8.
8. So here we discover a logic. And the logic is whenever we have this minus inside this square root or inside this bracket, and we have some power raised with, we have some index, okay, and we need to find that value. So whenever we have this negative inside, and if this is the power is even, then our answer always in positive. And if this is odd, then answer always in negative. Why? Because you can see that when we have pair of same sign, then answer must be in positive. Okay? And in even, we have pairs. But in odd, we don't have the pairs. We have the pair of this two and that two. And what about this? This two will be alone. That's why for odd, the answer always in negative. Okay? You know why I explain this? Because, okay, first try to say that what will be the answer for this?
The answer for this.
Yeah, 1 with power of 6.
1 with the power of 6.
Okay, tell me, 1
Six.
times 1 is?
6.
Okay, 1 times 1 is?
1.
1 times 1 is?
1.
1 times 1 is?
1.
Times 1? Times 1? If this is infinity, then also the answer must 1 only. Because we know 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, right?
Always.
So
1.
power doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay.
Our answer always in, always, our answer always will be 1 only.
Always
Why I
be in
explain this?
positive.
It change when we have not this 1, when we have negative 1, and then we have some different powers. So for this, the answer is 1. But for this, if the power is 2, then answer will be
In positive.
positive 1. And if this is 5,
It'll be -1.
very good. And what if this is 8?
It'll be just 1.
Okay. So when we have this -1, so we just need to see this power. If this is even, then answer in positive. If this is odd, then answer is negative. Simple rule.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's next? We're gonna learn.
What is the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? Kavya?
-5. -25.
Okay. For this,
Is a -16. Is a -16.
yeah, very good.
What's the next question?
This is question number 17 from your sheet.
Is it 55?
Yeah. Okay. Now try question number 14 from your sheet.
Okay. $52.
Very good. Now try this one. Please try to solve step by step, Kavya. You can do this.
Yeah, I am trying it. Is the answer 2?
Let's say 12 divide with this. What will be the answer for this, Kavya?
I got -3.
Then what about this?
I got -2.
Good. Now, first solve this. Divide. So this will be different sign. So answer must be negative. And 12 divided with 3. This must be 4.
Times -2. Oh, 8.
Just 8. Okay?
Okay.
What I say, don't get afraid of seeing the long question. Okay? Just try to solve step by step.
Then I think I did a mistake. I did -3 times -2. That's what I did. It's the big mistake.
Yeah. Always try to go from left to right.
Okay.
Because this division and multiplication has the same priority. Board mass doesn't say like we need to do multiplication first or division first. No, both have the same priority. So whatever comes first, solve that first. In addition and subtraction also, right? According to board mass rule, in addition and subtraction also, whatever comes first, add or subtract. Okay. So for board mass, this is BOD. So this D and M has the same priority.
Okay.
Then A and S has the same priority. Okay. So first do with brackets. Then order, which is index. So here this is either O or I. So this division and multiplication both have the same priority. And for this addition, subtraction also, both have the same priority. So always go from left to right. Always left to right. Okay. Okay, Kavya, I think we need a break also,
Okay.
right? So please
Yeah.
meet me at 12:10.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. 12.
Unmute. Yeah. So we're going to learn about arithmetic equation. Okay.
Okay.
So what this equation means? We know about arithmetic, right? Then
Yeah.
what this equation means? Equation means this equal means like whatever written in the left always equal to whatever written in the right hand side. Okay. Means all the value written in left hand side always equal to the value written in the right hand side. For example, if we have one value like this, 8 minus 2, this left hand side, and the right hand side, this is 3 times 2. Okay. So if we calculate this, 8 minus 2, this is 6, and 3 times 2.
6.
So here, this is actually the equation, the arithmetic equation, where the left-hand side value always equal to the right-hand side value. Then what we are doing here, we always know that the left-hand side value equals to right-hand side value. So in this, what the examiner do, they ask you to find any one value. For example, something like this. Okay? So here, how this will help, you know that left hand side value always equal to the right hand side value. Okay. So here one thing is missing, right? But we can easily calculate whatever written in right hand side, right? So we can see, okay, 3 times 2, which is 6. This is what? The left hand side value is also 6. Okay. Then, okay, what number we can subtract with this 8? So the answer will be 6, because we know the answer must be 6. Why answer must be 6? Because right hand side value, when we calculate this right hand side value, we're getting 6. Okay.
Then also the left hand value should also get 6.
Yeah. So here we can write this question mark will replace 2, because 8 minus 2, then only answer will be 6. Okay.
Okay.
For example, sometimes they give us question like this way also. If they ask in the easier way, so they just say whatever number subtracted with 8, so our answer will be 21. So this looks difficult first. Let me give you some easier one. 5 added with what equals 12?
7.
Very good. Now, what should be added with 9? So answer will be 21.
Added with 9 equal to 21.
Yeah.
12.
Very good. 4 times what equals 48?
12. 12.
Yeah. Dash divided with 5, answer will be 4.
Something divided by 5 equals 4. 20.
Very good.
What's the
Now
next?
try to check me answer question number 19 from your sheet.
19. 29.
Very good. Now this one. 30 subtracted with what equals 18?
Body structure is what equals 18. $12.
Wow.
What's next? $15. 17.
Very good. Okay. Now,
15.
very good. Now, we're going to learn something about the function machine.
Yes.
The function machine and also the equation actually. Don't use those board mass rule inside the function machine, okay? Each and every step is actually, we need to calculate separately. So this is function machine, which are actually the equation. So this is the function machine is actually the Kavya. This function machine is actually the magic machine. We are putting some input and we are getting some rule apply inside those function machine, and then we are getting some output. For example, this is the function machine. And what it do is, whatever number go inside, this machine first add that with 2, and then after this, maybe this machine just add 2, and maybe this machine apply 2 or 3 different logics inside that. Okay. For example, if this machine just add 2, so if the input is 7, then what will be the output?
When it's 7, and the output will give you the output.
So what this machine will do?
Plus,
so whatever go inside,
2.
they just add with 2. So 7
which
with
is 9.
Yeah. But if this machine do 2 process, for example, first add with 2 and then times with 3, then
7 add 2, which is 9, and then 9 times 0, which is 27. So the output would be 27.
27. Very good. So what child made mistake in this is they apply the board mass inside, which is wrong. Okay?
3.
Yeah. So first we need to do this, then do that. It's not like first time this 2, 3 times 2, which is 6, means we need to just add with 6. No, nothing like that. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And some people do like 7 times 3, which is 21, and 21 add 2.
No, that is also wrong.
Yeah.
So whatever they say, first add 2, then times with 3. Okay? So if we have one machine which says 5 go inside, and then they apply some logic like this. So what will be the output, Kavya?
Will it be 16?
Yeah. Nines go inside. And what the machine do is times with, no, not times, first divide with 3. and then subtract with 1.
9 divided by 3, which is 3. And so 9 divided by 3, which is 3, 2 by 1 is 2. 2.
Very good. 2. Okay. What if I give you the value of this
Well, and then I have to find the input.
output? This is input actually, and that is the output. So if I give the value for this output, okay, 18, then what will be the input? So whenever the examiner give the value of output, then do the reverse process. For example, here we have 18, right? So sometimes something times with 3, then only we have 18. Means we need to
So
divide with 3.
18 divided by 3, which is 6, and 6 take away 2, which is 4.
Yeah, here we are adding, then we need to subtract. So 6 minus 2, which is 4. Very
For
good.
each of it, you do the for each of it, you do the opposite operations.
Very good. Opposite actually. Okay, now check me that. Sorry, just tell me the answer for this.
Is the impact. Wait, where's it? And okay, so 6 take away 16, take away 6, which is 10. 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Is it 5?
Yeah, what about this?
This one.
Yeah.
One, two, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, is the answer 12?
Yeah. Okay.
What's the next one?
Try question number 22 from your sheet.
Three.
Very good. For this,
Is it 3?
yeah.
What's the next one? Is it 40?
Yes. Okay, I think now you're okay with this function machine as well. Right? Now, our next topic is, okay, now we are come to read this algebra. Okay? Okay, so we know that in algebra, for example, we have something like this 3a plus 5, which equals 35. So this is actually what? This is variable. This is variable. Why we say variable? Because it may vary.
Letter. Like
Yeah,
it can
it may vary. It may 1, 2, 3, anything.
yeah,
It depends upon
anything.
the quotient. For example, here we have a plus 6 equal 9. So for this quotient, the value for a will be,
Value of A will be 3.
and for this, 5 minus a equals 3. Then for this one, the value for a will be
2.
2. So we can see that the value of a is vary. Sometimes we get the value of a is 3, sometimes 2, sometimes different. That's why this is actually unknown value. That's why we say that variable. It may vary. Okay? Then whatever the multiple of this variable is actually called as coefficient. It is actually called as coefficient. So this is what? Coefficient. Okay? And whatever this is actually what? This is 5, which is fixed. We can't change this. So this is called as constant. But don't worry, Kavya. Now we don't need to learn about this difficult. I'm just explaining all these things just for your understanding. You don't need to remember, keep in memory what is coefficient, what is variable, not at all. It's not needed in the calculation actually. Just for your understanding, I'm explaining what is coefficient, what is variable, what is the constant term. Okay? For example, if we have some question like this, 2a plus 3. So here we have this a, which is variable, this 2, which is coefficient, and this 3 is actually the constant term. That's it. Okay, sometimes we have a question like this, 8a minus 3a. So don't treat it like what is A, what is B. Just feel like, okay, we have something 8, like 8 apples, and we are giving 3 apples to someone. We left with 5A. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. The next thing is, if we have something like this, A plus 9. So we can't add this A and 9 because these two are totally different. A is actually variable, 9 is actually constant. So we can't do anything with this. So always try to combine the like terms only. For example, if we have a plus 3a, a plus 9 plus 3a plus 2. So this a and 3a is like term, so write it at one place, then 9 and then 2. So this a and 3a will be 4a and 9 plus 2 will be 11. So answer will be 4a plus 11. Okay? Okay.
But you have to simplify it basically.
Yeah, we just need to simplify. So what will be the answer for this, Kavya? 5p minus 2p minus 2p.
Minus 2p minus 2p. Will it be 1p?
Sorry?
Will it be 1p?
Yeah, because this 5p, we can write it like 5 minus 2, which is 3, and 3 minus 2, which is
1.
1. So for 1p, just we can write like p only. Okay, now if we have question like this, 4a minus 2b minus a plus 7.
minus 2b
This is
minus
also A.
4a minus 2a minus 8 plus 7. So it'll be 2a, and then 2a, and it'll be 9a.
No. 4A minus 2A. 2A and
2a,
2A minus A. A,
8.
and we can't add A with 7, right? So we can simply write it like A plus 7. Answer will be
8 and 7.
A plus 7.
Okay.
Because we can't add anything with this. Okay, if we have here, we have B, 2B. Then this A and B are different actually. So we just write it like 4A minus A minus 2B plus 7. This 4A,
Wait,
and we need to subtract with A. So this is 3A, right?
3a.
Now we
Minus
can't do anything with this B because this B is different.
2b
And
and
this 7 is also.
That's just the answer. That's the answer.
So answer will be this 3A minus 2B plus 7. Okay? Don't try to combine the unlike term.
Okay.
Okay.
What's next?
Sometimes we have question like this. 2A minus 1 plus 3, 5 plus 8. Okay?
Okay.
So for this type of question, you can see that we can't do inside the bracket anything, right?
Yeah.
Because the different term. So first, try to expand the bracket. How can we do that? You know the
Say 2
distributive
times
law.
1.
Distributive law means what? These 2 first times with this A, and then these 2 times with this 1. Okay?
Okay.
For example, if we have 5 plus, no, 5 times 2
Then
plus 5 times 6. So we can simply write it like 5, then 2 plus 6. Okay?
okay.
Which is 5 times 8, which is 40. For example, you can solve this in that 2 way. First is, we can combine this, we can write this 5 as common because here we have 5. There also we have 5. So we can take this 5 as common. Now we left with 2, and here we left with this 6. Now we can solve for the bracket first. So 6 plus 2 is 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, try the other way, which is 5 times 2 plus 5 times 6. So 5 times
40.
2, 10, plus 5 times 6 is 30, right?
40.
And 10 plus 30 will be 40. You can see that the both are the same actually. So we can write this as this way as well.
Okay.
And we can go from here to there also. If we have something like this, 5 times 2, then 6. This means what? We need to first multiply this 5 with 2, and then put the sign as it is, and then 5 times with 6. Okay?
It's 40.
You know that if we don't, if nothing is written before this bracket, then it means multiplication, right?
Yeah.
So what this means, that this 5 must multiply all number inside this bracket. So 5 first times with this 2, and then times with that 6. Okay? So here in algebraic expression also, we are applying that same law, which is, here we have 2, then A minus 1 plus 3, 5 minus plus A. So here, first we need to expand the bracket. So how can we do that? Kavya, please help me. 2 times A will be 2A.
will be 2a,
Then
2a, and then it'll be 2 times 1,
not 2 times 1, 2 times minus 1.
2 times minus 1, which is
Different sign
minus
means negative,
minus
right?
2.
Minus 2. Okay, now 3 times 5. So same sign means plus 15, and then 3 times 8, which is 3a.
Plus 3a.
Okay,
Okay.
now combine the like term. This 2a added with, okay, don't forget the sign. This 3 holds the plus sign. So always keep the sign same when you are putting something here to there. Okay, now this 2 has this minus sign and this 15 has this plus sign. Now 3a plus 2a will be 5a, and then minus 2 and plus 15, it will be plus 13.
Plus 13.
Different sign means subtract,
Mm-hmm.
but we need to keep the sign of the bigger number,
Okay.
which is plus. So answer is this. Now we can't do
5a.
anything because this a and 13 are different.
Yeah, so it's 5a and 13.
Now try question number 23 from your sheet, Kavya.
Simplify a. Answer be 5a.
Yeah, very easy. Try question 25.
Is it 3a take away 2b?
Very good.
Simplify. Which one is the next?
Let me give you that question. Okay. Similar one. So let me ask you one question like this. Yeah. Solve for this, Kavya. I'm also solving, so try to beat me.
Okay.
Do as fast as you can. Very easy, actually. I got my answer.
The answer just 10A.
Not just A. Okay.
I said 10A.
Yeah, 10A is correct. Very good. Because 12 and 12 cancel, right? 12 go away with 12, so we have nothing as remainder. Very good. Good try, Kavya. Okay, so if we have variable like this way, A times with A, this means what? A with raised to the power. No!
Oh.
A plus A is 2A actually. A times with A is not 2A. Okay, the next is A times with B means
AB.
AB. Okay,
Okay.
B times B means
B2.
B with power 2. C times S means
CS.
that's easy actually.
Next.
Please try question number 27 from your sheet, Kavya.
Okay. That's like this question we solved.
Question number 26. 27, sorry.
Is it 13 and 5A?
Yeah, very good. Okay.
Next.
The next topic is substitution.
Substitution.
What this means? Substitution means if the question tell us, for example, if the question say that if x equal this 2. So if the question tell us the value of this letter, okay? If the question tell us the value of the letter, so we just need to replace that letter in the question. Find the value of 4x minus 3. So sometimes they give us question like this way. That value of x equal to, so find the value of 4x minus 3. So here, let me explain. So here, we just need to replace this x in the question. So here, you can see that this 4 times with x, then only it will be 4x, right? How this become 4x? This become 4x when we are multiplying 4 with x. Right, so here we need to multiply this 4 with that 2 because the value of x is 2.
8 and then do 8 equate 3, which is 5.
8, then 2, it will be
6. But there's 3 up there.
Sorry?
It says 3. Not, it's, so,
Oh, sorry, in the question. Yeah, you are right. In the question, this is actually 3. Very good. Okay, please tell me the answer for this. If x equals what? I had to change the value. Yeah. Now what will be the answer for this? The same question.
5. Oh, we changed it. 7.
Yeah. If we have more variables, something like this. If it says if a equals 2 and b equals 3, then
Equals 6.
find the value of
We add to B.
4a plus b.
Um,
We just need to replace the letter with number.
Okay. Is it 11?
Yeah. Now try question number 29 from your sheet.
Okay, that's easy. Okay, so it's 3 times 2 equals 6. Are you solving it?
No, I'm not solving
Oh.
it. I'm writing the different question.
So I solved this one or the one in 29?
29. First solve 29.
Okay. Answer 6.
Now solve this last one.
Okay. Okay. – 14.
Yeah. I know that you must tell me the right answer. Okay. Now you're okay with all the topic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So please go through your sheet again and
Yeah.
try to solve each and every question again by yourself. Bye-bye.